Looking out for our IT admins has always been a priority for us. So let's dive into what we're doing to make your work lives a little easier now, starting with how excited we are with Apple's evolved MDM protocol, Declarative Device Management. At JNUC 2022, we let you know that Jamf Pro added support for declarative device management for operating system changes. Apple continues to expand the use cases for declarative device management, and Jamf remains committed to supporting this next-gen protocol. Today, we're excited to let you know that we are extending that support to Passcode compliance and supplemental build version for rapid security response. Organizations that utilize Apple technology via iOS and iPadOS devices deploy a number of configuration profiles to enact settings that are required for their security posture. Once those profiles are installed, they can leverage Jamf Pro Smart Group logic to safely target additional security-sensitive profiles to install certificates or networking profiles that allow users to get their work done. Previously, in order to accomplish this, organizations that wanted this condition met needed to perform additional inventory updates via the API before a device entered their smart group. Or it's possible they may not have factored this into their deployments at all. Now, with declarative device management, the device will autonomously report its passcode compliance status once set, and the user will receive all of the rest of their needed profiles immediately afterwards, giving admins real-time visibility into their fleet. Supplemental build version is related to Apple's rapid security response updates, which is a new type of update meant to apply between minor OS releases. If you are concerned about zero-day exploit, and let's be real, we all are, deploying these updates when available to your managed devices can easily be accomplished. What's more, the Declarative Device Management status channel can now report the completed update status to Jamf Pro immediately after it's been applied, giving you peace of mind. As always, we're committed to same-day support with Apple, and as they continue to expand this new protocol, so will Jamf. And if you are embracing trusted access, this means faster automated access management to sensitive data resources without having to wait for a sync. I think we can all agree that being able to base trusted access off of action needed from Apple's rapid security responses sounds pretty next level. Coming soon, we will be adding support for Managed Device Attestation in our MDM device information queries. Managed Device Attestation is a powerful new security feature introduced by Apple in iOS, iPadOS, and tvOS 16 last fall. This certification tool helps ensure that all MDM managed devices contain genuine Apple hardware and haven't been spoofed or otherwise compromised. Here's how it will integrate with Jamf Pro. Jamf Pro provides an additional queried parameter to a managed device via the MDM protocol. The device performs a check-in with Apple's attestation servers and ultimately returns a certificate that is signed by Apple that attests that the device is genuine. The certificate is validated by Jamf Pro and stored with other inventory data. The results will be shared with Jamf security tools and available for consumption in other third-party systems and tools via the Jamf Pro API. At JNUC last year, we talked about a new way we want to help admins support their teams and users who are working remotely. As many of you know, we have previously partnered with other software vendors to offer integrations which required an additional purchase. One of the largest JNUC ovations I've ever heard was when we previewed a new Jamf Pro feature that will allow admins to initiate a remote desktop session directly from within the browser, regardless of where your users are working. If you missed JNUC, let me show you a quick demo of how this works. From the Management tab of this device record, you will see a remote administration option. From directly within Jamf Pro, you can start a screen sharing session regardless of where the Mac is located. There's no separate app to launch, which means you'll be able to support remote users from any modern web browser on a Mac, iPad, or PC. I'm very pleased to announce that this new Remote Assist capability will be coming this summer. Welcome to a new and better way to support your users, wherever they work. But we're not done yet. We are also introducing an automated solution to create and manage unique local administrator passwords per each managed Mac with Jamf Pro. With the increasing risk of unauthorized access to sensitive data or systems, having unique local administrator passwords for each device is crucial to improving overall security if and when local account credentials are needed. With this solution, the password of a managed administrator account can be randomized at the time of enrollment. Access to the password can be restricted to specific users or groups, with audit logging in place to show who accessed the password and when. Once viewed by the authorized user, the password will be automatically rotated to a new randomized value. This automated approach allows organizations to maintain operational security, comply with regulations, and improve efficiency when working with an IT Managed Administrator account. And last, but certainly not least, we've got some new things to share for app installers. App Installers, released in Jamf Pro last spring, gives you the ability to distribute and update available third-party macOS software titles, removing the need to manually monitor, package, and update apps, and streamlining the application lifecycle management process. To continue to deliver on this streamlined process, we've listened to your feedback and are addressing some of your most requested feature updates with new app installer capabilities. Recently, in Jamf Pro 10.44, we launched end-user notifications, allowing you to notify users when an update is available for a software title deployed using app installers. And coming this summer, Jamf Pro will offer the option to distribute app installer titles via self-service and allow users to install when they are ready. Once a user installs the application, app installers will continue to keep that app title automatically up to date with the latest software version. We are so excited to bring these new features your way so we can help you help your users. And as always, Jamf is and will continue to be compatible with Apple's latest operating systems, so you and those you support can immediately take advantage of the latest and greatest for Mac, iPad, and iPhone.